Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot even believe I'm saying that because it's been almost a whole year since I last talked to y'all, but your girl is back. I'm here to stay. I miss y'all. I'm excited. I can't wait to go on this journey with you guys. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and push that notification bell so you never miss a beat over here. For those who are new here, I'm Samyah, but you can call me Maya, mom and wife of 2. Junior is 4 and Leah is 2. We got a lot of stuff to catch up on. Okay, we're gonna bring y'all in real close. I posted a question box on my Instagram, so if you haven't already followed me, make sure you follow me on all the socials so we can keep in touch. And if you haven't already, grab you something to drink because we're gonna be here for a little minute. And I got some lemonade in here because it's kind of early. I didn't want to be on alcohol too early. I feel like it's not kind of mindful. It have to be a mom after this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, all right, let's get into the questions. So we got a couple. I'm not gonna do all of them. I'm just gonna probably do like 10 questions. The first question is, how do you balance being a mom and being a wife? I honestly feel like I just started learning how to balance being a mom and a wife because when I first had kids, I was just being a mom. Like, yeah, I was married, but I really wasn't putting my husband first, if that makes sense. Like, I just kind of said, you know, my kids is the most important priority that I have, and I kind of put him on the back burner. So, like, now I'm learning how to prioritize date nights, knowing that I need to prioritize mom dates with my kids. I think what helps that is having little monthly meetings with Jeremiah. We always are talking. We're always having, like, marriage meetings where we're talking about, well, what can I do better? How can I be better to you as a partner? And I also have the same kind of conversations with Junior and Leah. Like, I'll ask Junior, like, do you think I'm being a good mom? Junior told me, wants me to put my phone down and just look at him when I'm talking. Now, when he's talking to me, phone is down, off. I want to just like give him my undivided attention. You don't even have to be married. Make sure you and your partner, spouse, boo, whatever you're doing, make sure y'all are communicating consistently. So that is what I will say. The next question is, I know being a mom and I'm sure wife can be hard, so how are you doing mentally? I'm doing really good, honestly. I think I'm doing really good because I know what me not doing good looks like, but right now I'm really doing good. I'm happy, I'm healthy, my kids are healthy and happy, so I'm doing good. My husband's doing good. Like, all across the board, I'm doing good. So the next question is, would you collab with other YouTubers? Yes. I think networking and collaboration is so big, especially in this industry. So I'm always down to network with people. It just has to make sense, if that makes sense. What motivated you to start YouTube? I love being in front of the camera, as you can tell. I've always been like that. My mom has always been like, girl, like when I was little, she used to be like, girl, get out the camera. Like, and I was like, no, like I look so cute. And then when I got older, I started getting into like journalism and practicing reporting news and all that. So I don't know. And then when I went to college, I studied journalism and PR. So it just kind of all makes sense to me. And now I feel like I'm just a storyteller in my own creative way. So it just kind of made sense. The next question is, what is your favorite ice cream? My favorite ice cream, honestly, would have to be vanilla, girl. I just love vanilla. I like vanilla, and I also like chocolate chip cookie dough, but it's not like a favorite of mine. Vanilla would have to be my favorite, and it's gotta be French vanilla. Next question is, what's some great advice you give to others? Oh, I feel like I give such great advice. Like, so many people come to me for advice, and I don't know, I just am such a positive person. Maybe that's why. I think some great advice that I give is society's rules are all made up and you are in competition with your own self. You're not on a timeline against other people around you. Like, everything is gonna happen in God's perfect timing, and you just have to continue working hard, doing what you feel is best, and you do what you're supposed to do and let God handle the rest. And then I will also say, I literally believe in this wholeheartedly. People either don't know or they don't care. Boom. So any situation it applies to. You got a man that's not treating you right, he either don't know or he don't care. Do he know that he's not treating you right? Have you told him that he's not treating you right? Okay, so if he knows, then he don't care. If you told him and he's still acting crazy, he don't care. Okay? Problem solved. That's some great advice. Take that, okay? The next question is, what's new? What are your goals for 2025? Any new hobbies? What's new? I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a Florida realtor. I recently closed on a house for a client of mine. I was so happy about it because it was my auntie. Like, she just transitioned from a different phase in her life, and this was like her first big girl purchase outside of, you know, that transition. So I was really happy to just be there and walk hand in hand with her through that whole process. So yeah, real estate. I feel like there's so much that y'all have missed. Leah's about to be 3. Junior's going on 5. I cannot believe I'm about to have a 5-year-old. Like, I don't know. Sometimes I be feeling like, girl, you really a mama. Like, what? So goals I have for 2025, I haven't thought about 2025 goals yet, just because I do like my goals or thinking about my goals like quarterly. So since we're still in hey Junior, guys, look at who just came upstairs. Want to say hi? Hi. So yeah, this is part of being mommy. Yeah, I don't really talk about my goals or just yet. I kind of do my goals quarterly. So since we're at the end of 2024 or moving towards the end, I probably wouldn't like start focusing or thinking about my 2025 goals until like maybe end of November, early December. But what I will say is, if something doesn't happen before 2024 ends, I would say one of my goals for 2025 would be to tap into some sort of franchise business. That's something that I really want to work towards, is finding a franchise that Jeremiah and I can go into business with and add that to like our business ventures that we're doing. So we shall see. New hobbies. I have started loving reading. I don't know, I've never been like a huge reader. And so this has been like such a weird change for me because I've never really liked reading. I think you just have to go and find books that fit you. And right now I'm reading, it's a motivational book, but my best friend put me onto it. It's called 100 Days of Believing Bigger, and I'm in love with it. The next question is, do you want any more kids? And how many did you want at first? No, I don't want any more kids. Junior and Leah are perfect for me.
I want a brother.
Boy, no. No, we're not having no more kids. And at first I only wanted one child. That's just the honest God truth. Like, God had other plans. So
I love you.
oh, I love you too, Junior. The next question is, what is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Just Right with Queen Latifah and Common. It's literally my favorite movie. I love me a good love story. Like, I just love. So that's that. The last question is B-Day plans. Why do you enjoy making content? I kind of answered why do I enjoy making content in the question of like what made you start YouTube. But yeah, I just love how it's like a visual diary of life, and I'll always be able to go back on and like see like where we've grown from, what we've gone through, what we've experienced in life, and it's just fun. I feel like it's very therapeutic as well for me. Birthday plans, I see myself being on an island somewhere. That's my vision. I either want to be in Aruba, because I've never been, Jamaica, Turks, I want to fly there. We've been there together, but we went on a cruise, or Costa Rica. I want to travel somewhere and just go away, drop the kids off to their babysitters, and just get going. But that is all the questions. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm really excited for all that we have in store together. Make sure you follow me on the socials right here. And oh my gosh, we are back to YouTube, baby! But yes, I will see you in the next video. Stay safe. Love up on your kids, love up on your families, love up on yourself. If you liked this video, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment what was your favorite part. Comment some questions I may have not answered that you want to know about me, and I'll answer them in the comments. We are done with this video. I will see y'all in the next video, and I will talk to you later. Bye.